Good morning everyone. Once again, this teacher June, your English teacher in Wat Lucasure School under English program. Okay class, today our subject is science. And our topic, we're going to continue about the body parts of a bird. Okay class, I'm going to show you the parts of a bird. Okay, number 1, head. 2, eye. 3, beak. 4, body. 5, leg. 6, tail. 7, wings. And the last one, number 8, feather. As you could see to your screen of your laptop or cell phone. That is the parts of a bird. Okay class, we're going to review it again for your vocabulary. Head, beak, wings, feet, leg, tail, feather, and eye. Okay class, I'm going to give you the example of your vocabulary. Head, that is the example of head. Beak, okay. Wings, that is the wings. Then feet, feet of a bird. And the next one is leg. And tail, tail of the bird. Then feather. You see at your screen to your cell phone, that is the feather. And eye, eye of the bird. Okay class, for your activity, draw the bird and then name the following body parts. Again, for your activity, draw the bird and then name the following body parts. You could see the picture to your screen. So you're going only to put the numbers. Okay class? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and I hope you get the correct answer to your activity. Okay class, goodbye and have a nice day and always keep safe. Thank you.